Faculty at KIAMS have brought in several initiatives. One is a research methodology workshop for students as well as faculty of different institutions in our territory. We conduct MDPs for Kirloskar Group companies and other private sector companies in and around Karnataka. We have done consulting assignments, employee perception survey, identification of fast trackers, competency mapping. We also do case writing for companies. We also help students to write cases. Some of the cases written by students have been uploaded in the case center in UK, Cranfield University. We are in the process of bringing about several other initiatives, including setting up an innovation center which will help students to incubate new startups, and hopefully they will be financed and then become real life companies in the future.